Welcome to DigiCoach 5.0. The new version of DigiCoach is now available on phones and Android devices. This video will show you how to complete a walkthrough using an iPad or Android tablet. To start a new walk, tap the green button up top. Next, select your educator, the subject they are teaching, and their grade, and then tap Start Walkthrough. DigiCoach features 5 focus areas, each with 4 look-fors. Each focus area can be observed across the bottom of the screen: engagement, checking for understanding, schema, cognition, and learning environment, each pulled from different researchers to highlight effective instructional strategies that should be seen in the classroom. Let's do a focus walkthrough and look for the 3 R's as made famous by the Gates Foundation. I'm looking for relationships here in learning environment, and I see that the interactions between the teacher and student were positive. I tap once to indicate that the relationships were observed and they were positive. I slide to the left, and now I'm looking for rigor. Was the lesson complex and appropriately challenging for the needs of individual students today? It wasn't quite there. We call that a missed opportunity. So I'm going to tap twice and indicate that I did not see a rigorous lesson in place. I'll tap engagement and look for relevance. Were the students participating in tasks with real-world applications related to their personal experiences and interests? They were. So I'll tap relevance and indicate that I saw that happening. Next, I want to coach my teacher, so I'm going to tap the feedback button to pull up an email. At the bottom of the screen, you can see an email has been created and ready to go to Ms. Avila. Up top, I can choose from different strategies and coaching tips to create my email. I want to praise her with her relationships, so I'm going to select relationships from the dropdown and find something that lines up with what was happening in the classroom. Today, she was redirecting counterproductive behavior, so I'll select that and insert it into my email. I also want to give her some praise around relevance, so I'll select relevance and scroll through and reinforce her use of current events to provide purpose. I'll insert that into the email. And lastly, I'll offer a coaching tip in the area of rigor since it wasn't observed today. Today it would have helped if she had deductive reasoning taking place, so I'll select that and insert that one into my email as well. I'm ready to complete my walkthrough now, so I'll tap the complete walkthrough button in the bottom and say OK to save it to my device. If I'm ready to go, I can tap Sync and Send up top to send this email, or I can tap the Ready to Send button to place that walkthrough on hold. I'm ready to send it, so I'm going to tap Sync and Send. My walkthrough was just emailed to the teacher, and the data was uploaded to the cloud for DigiCoach reporting purposes. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos to learn more about DigiCoach.